Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get rid of iPhone not backed up notification. Let's go. To fix it, go to the settings, then choose your account, and here we see iCloud. Click iCloud, and we have some ways to fix this problem. The first way, we can manage our storage, tap Manage Storage, then we can disable some items, for example, voice memos. We can delete data, delete, and we have more free storage. Also, we can change storage plan, but we have a free plan with 5 gigabytes, but we can buy 50 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, and even 2 terabytes. Next way, we can tap Backups, then choose our iPhone and choose what we want to back up. For example, we can turn off photo library or other applications. For example, at God, turn off and delete, and we have more free space. And we can delete all backup. For this, click Delete Backup, and we can delete this backup. But if you want to get rid of this notification forever, then back once more, back to iCloud, and here tap iCloud Backup. And here turn off iCloud Backup. Turn off it, and we will have the message about backup. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. See you soon.